Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see some small tutorial on Python. What is this? This is like a small library where we can put our Python script in the web, but this is little bit easier than FLASK and Django. Okay, you have to download the zip file. If you're using Mac and Linux, maybe it may be different for you people. I don't know properly about Linux and Mac. Okay, we have for Windows download the zip file. Okay, after downloading, okay, I didn't download still. You have to click showing folder, or you can open that and extract it. We have to extract it. Have extracted it. Go into that folder, extracted folder, and once it's under index.html, you can see hello has been printed. We'll print some other text the same way. Okay, now what we should do is click on this and open with Notepad. Okay, you can open it with PyCharm, VS Code, and any other HTML editors. Okay, and there is bracket 1 over the body onload. This is because I have downloaded the file for the second time. That's the reason it had come as bracket 1. Okay, here this is the script for the Python. So only it has printed for us hello. If we change it into any other text like subscribe bro, no need. Okay, anything like this, something like this, and run that again. Yeah, you can see subscribe has been printed. Okay, in this one, print will not be functioning, document will be functioning over here. So a subscribe document, so this has been printed. This is like similar to, I think this is similar to Python 2, because in Python 2 to print we don't need to give any kind of brackets, but okay, in Python 3 we had to give brackets to print the text, but in 2 we don't need to give. I think this is also the same way like Python 2.0, sorry. Okay, now let's write a small script on this. Okay, I'm having already a pre-written script. Let's edit it. Okay, this is the text, this is the code. Okay, if you run this over here, it will not be functioning. Let's run this to show you people. You can see error has occurred like no module name browser. Actually, the module browser will be coming pre-installed with the Python zip file, the zip file which we have downloaded in the which zip file we have downloaded earlier. Okay, now let's paste it over here. You can see we have pasted. This is a small Python script. Okay, now let's rerun. Okay, this page says, what is your name? My name is UMESH. Okay, hi UMESH. The text hi UMESH has been printed. Now, even I made a small password generator using the same technique. Okay, password generator is so easy to create in Python, as we all did it in the basics. Like when we learn Python basics, then the tutorial teachers will be making a small password generator. Some people, not everyone. Okay, so what we should do is we have to go to my website, that's UMESHLAB.github.io, and open over here. Let's open a new tab, web password generator. Okay, what is the password length? UMESHLAB.github.io says, what is your password length? Okay, let's give it as 18. Second time confirmation. You can give any number now. If you want to change the number, you can change it. Okay, let's change it into 17. You can see 17 characters has been printed randomly. 1, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, 17 characters has been printed. Okay, and this is a small HTML button, but it doesn't function. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. If you like the video, please click on the like button, click on the share button, and subscribe to my channel. And one more thing, guys, I forgot to say, if you want to put your web, you put your Python into the web, but you don't have a domain, then I'm going to give a video link in the description. You can just check it. Okay, that is access. You can access the GitHub page. Okay, you can put it using the GitHub pages. The same way I have put my website into the online using GitHub pages, and the same way even this one. In the same way, when I have put this into using the GitHub pages, there is a tutorial in my channel about the GitHub pages. The link will be in the description. Please check it out. If I forgot to put it in the description, then just check out in my channel. There will be a video called as web hosting in less than 2 minutes, something like that. Okay, you can go check that video. Thank you guys. Meet you guys in the next video.